Hello students, welcome back. Students, today we will discuss numericals based on conductivity, specific conductivity, that is molar conductivity, equivalent conductivity, etc. So students, here I have some numericals and these are from all NCERT book. So students, our first question is the conductivity of 0.20 molar potassium chloride solution at 298 Kelvin is 0.0248 Simon per centimeter. Calculate its molar conductivity. So students, हमें molar conductivity निकालना है and conductivity आपको given है. So conductivity means students kappa is given, which is what? 0.0248 Simon per centimeter. So this is conductivity. Now concentration of solution is also given, which is 0.20 molar, and we need to find out molar conductivity, that is lambda. Students, we know that lambda, that is molar conductivity of solution, is kappa into 1000 upon concentration, that is molarity, Simon centimeter square per mole. Now students, see, conductivity of solution is given, it is 0.0248 into 1000 upon molarity, which is 0.20 molar. So students, solving this, we can calculate what? Molar conductivity. अब वो students solve करके आएगा, like this can be written as what? 248 into 10 raised to power minus 4. This is 10 raised to power 3. This is what? Say 20 into 10 raised to power minus 2. So students, solve this, you'll get the answer. See students, आपका ये हुआ, पहले तो यही कर लो, ये -2 रह गया. Now यहां से आपके पास रह गया 10. So students, we have 2480 upon 20. ये भी cancel हो गया. So answer is 124 Simon centimeter square per mole. So students, this is our answer. So ये तो था question number 1. Now students, we have second question. Now in second question, see, the resistance of a conductivity cell containing 0.001 molar potassium chloride solution at 298 Kelvin is 1500 ohms. That means आपको resistance given है 1500 ohms. Now what is the cell constant? आपको cell constant G star निकालना है. If conductivity of 0.001 molar potassium chloride solution at same temperature, that is 298 Kelvin, is 0.146 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 Simon per centimeter. So kappa is given, it is 0.146 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Simon per centimeter. Now students, see, we know that conductivity kappa is equal to G into G star. Now students, G star is called cell constant. So G star would be what? Kappa upon G. Now students, kappa and 1 upon G, reciprocal of conductance is resistance. So this is kappa into R. Now students, values of conductivity, kappa is given, it is 0.146 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Simon per centimeter. Now resistance of solution is 1500 ohms. Now students, Simon is ohm inverse, तो ये cancel हो गया. So we have 0.146 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into 1500, and this will be centimeter inverse. So students, solving this, we get what? Cell constant of the cell. अब ये solve आप खुद करेंगे. Now students, let's move to the next question, that is question number 3. Now in question number 3 we have the electrical resistance of a column of 0.05 molar sodium hydroxide solution of diameter 1 centimeter and length 50 centimeter is 5.55 into 10 raised to the power 3 ohms. Calculate resistivity, conductivity and molar conductivity. Now students, the resistance of a column of 0.05 molar sodium hydroxide solution is given as 5.5. So first we have R, which is 5.55 into 10 raised to power 3 ohms. So ये हो गया resistance. Now students, आपको diameter दिया है. So diameter of the column is 1 centimeter. So students, radius कितना हुआ फिर? Radius is half of diameter, that is 0.5 centimeter. Now students, तो area of cross section of the column कितना हुआ? Assuming that वो circular column है students, it will be pi r square. So pi is 3.14 into r is 0.5 centimeter, इसका square कर देंगे. So this is area of cross section. Then we have what? Length. How much length is given? 50 centimeter. So area और length ये हो गया. तो students, cell constant कितना होगा? That we can calculate. Now cell constant would be what? Cell constant is length upon area of cross section. Length we have what? 50 centimeter. Area of cross section we have 3.14 into 0.5. इसका square कर देंगे, centimeter square. So students, solving this, we get cell constant, that is G star is equal to what? 50 upon 3.14 into 0.5 का square, that is what? 25. So this is in centimeter inverse. So students, solve इसका जो solve करके आएगा वो आपने खुद करना है. Now students, cell constant आ गया आपके पास. अभी आपको क्या निकालना है? Calculate resistivity, conductivity and molar conductivity. Now students, let us first calculate resistivity. Now what is resistivity? Students, we know this, that resistance is equal to resistivity into length upon area of cross section. So resistivity would be what? It is R into area of cross section upon length. So R is given, resistance is solution का students हमें पता है, it is 5.55 into 10 raised to power 3 ohms. Now students, this G star is what? ये आपके पास आ गया. G star क्या होता है? G star is L upon A. So ये जो वैल्यू है, it is L upon A. बट हमें A upon L चाहिए, तो इसी का रेसिप्रोकल ले लेते हैं. So reciprocal of this means G star का रेसिप्रोकल हो गया ये. So we have what? 3.14 into 0.25 upon 50. So ये आ गया आपका resistivity सेंटीमीटर में. So students, solving this, we get resistivity, and finally आप इसको solve खुद करेंगे. So resistivity would be 5.55 into 10 raised to power 3 into 3.14 into 0.25 upon 50, and your answer will be in ohms and centimeter. So this is the second part of the question, that is how to find what? Resistivity. Now students, we have to find conductivity. Now what is conductivity students? Conductivity जो होता है, we know that conductivity is reciprocal of resistivity. Kappa is reciprocal of what? Resistivity. So reciprocal of resistivity means reciprocal of this quantity. So that means 50 upon what? 5.55 into 10 raised to power 3 into 3.14 into 0.25. So students, इसको सॉल्व करके आएगा, दिस विल बी इन ओम इनवर्स सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स, और आप इसको ओम इनवर्स इज कॉल्ड साइमंस पर सेंटीमीटर. सो दिस इज व्हाट? द कंडक्टिविटी. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ टू नाउ मोलर कंडक्टिविटी निकालना है. सो मोलर कंडक्टिविटी कैसे निकलेगा? मोलर कंडक्टिविटी इज लैम्डा विच इज kappa into 1000 upon molarity of the solution, और यूनिट्स इस एक्सप्रेशन के साइमन सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर मोल होंगे. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, kappa वी हैव विच इज 50 upon 5.55 into 10 raised to power 3, then we have 3.14 and then we have 0.25. So this is kappa into 1000, that is 10 raised to power 3, and then divided by molarity, and molarity of the solution is what? 0.05, that is 5 into 10 raised to power minus 2. So students, इसको solve करके आपका conductivity आएगा. Now solution part students मैं आप पे ही छोड़ रहा हूं because आपको mathematically skilled खुद होना पड़ेगा. So वो भी बहुत easy है calculations करना. Now students, let's move on to नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज एज सिमिलरली फ्रेम्ड क्वेश्चंस आपको कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में भी मिलेंगे. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, सो द गिवन डाटा इज द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ अ कंडक्टिविटी सेल filled with 0.1 molar potassium chloride solution is what? 100 ohms. So आपके पास एक 0.1 molar potassium chloride solution है. See students, उसका resistance given है 100 ohms. If the resistance of the same cell when filled with 0.02 molar solution, so एक और solution है 0.02 मोलर KCl का. नाउ सेम कंडक्टिविटी सेल यूज किया है लेकिन कंसंट्रेशन अब चेंज हो गया है एंड द रेजिस्टेंस इज फाउंड टू बी व्हाट? 520 ohms. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन दैट एक कंडक्टिविटी सेल जिसमें 0.1 मोलर पोटेशियम क्लोराइड सॉल्यूशन था, उसका जो रेजिस्टेंस है लेट इट बी R1, वो 100 ohms था. Now when the same conductivity cell was filled with this concentrated KCl, that is 0.02 molar KCl, the resistance was found to be what? 520 ohms. So let this be R2. Now calculate the conductivity and molar conductivity of 0.02 molar KCl solution. So इस solution का आपको conductivity and molar conductivity निकालना है. And the conductivity of 0.1 molar KCl solution, इसका conductivity let it be kappa 1, ये kappa 2 हो गया, उसको कैलकुलेट. ये गिवन है आपको what? 1.29 Simon per meter. Now students, so we have R1 and K1. Here we have R2 and we need to calculate K2. अब students, एक यहां पर fundamental use होना है. See, conductivity cell दोनों सॉल्यूशंस का सेम है, विच मीन्स दोनों सॉल्यूशंस अगर सेम कंडक्टिविटी सेल में है तो उनका सेल कांस्टेंट भी तो सेम होगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इसका जो सेल कांस्टेंट है G*1 और इस सॉल्यूशन का जो सेल कांस्टेंट है G*2, वो दोनों क्या होंगे? सेम होंगे क्योंकि सॉल्यूशन सेम कंडक्टिविटी सेल में है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यूजिंग दिस इंफॉर्मेशन नाउ वी विल सॉल्व द न्यूमेरिकल. सो सिंस इसका और इसका G स्टार सेम है, so we know that G star for first solution and G star for second solution is same. So that means, now what is G star, students? We know that what? ये आपको पता है kappa is G into G star. So students, G star would be what? Kappa upon G, that is reciprocal of G is R. So kappa into R. So we can write K1 R1 is equal to K2 R2. Now K1 is given 1.29 Simon per meter. R1 is 100 ohms. K2 we have to calculate into R2 is given what? It is 520 ohms. So students, यहां से अब आप K2 निकाल सकते हैं. So K2, that is kappa, would be what? 129 upon 520, and this will be what? Simon per meter. So this is K2 of the solution. Now students, अभी K2 निकाल लिया हमने, आप सॉल्व इसको खुद कर लेना. अब K2 निकल गया तो अब उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है? इसका मोलर कंडक्टेंस निकालना है. नाउ अब स्टूडेंट्स, मोलर कंडक्टेंस कैसे निकलेगा? ठीक है, बाकी आप इसको सॉल्व कर लेना. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, मोलर कंडक्टेंस वी नो दैट मोलर कंडक्टेंस इज इक्वल टू kappa. अच्छा, आपका जो पर मीटर में है तो हम SI सिस्टम में ही चलते हैं. सो दिस इज 10 raised to power -3 अपॉन मोलारिटी. बट अब जो यूनिट होगा स्टूडेंट्स, वो साइमन मीटर स्क्वायर पर मोल होगा. दिस वी हैव लर्नड दैट जब आपको SI सिस्टम में क्वेश्चन करना हो तो यहां 10 raised to power 3 नहीं, 10 raised to power -3 होता है. नाउ कंडक्टिविटी वी नो इट इज 129 अपॉन what? 520. Now, so this is conductivity. Then we have into 10 raised to power 3 upon concentration of the solution. Now students, it was given 0.02. ये आपको दिया हुआ था 0.02. आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे और आपका आंसर दैट इज मोलर कंडक्टिविटी आ जाएगा. स्टूडेंट्स, ये सॉल्व करेंगे, you'll get 124 into 10 raised to power -4 Simon meter square per mole. So students, these were some very important questions from your NCERT textbook. Now we'll discuss questions from the competitive exams. Students, now this question was asked in JEE Mains 2014. Now question is, resistance of 0.2 molar solution of an electrolyte is 50 ohms. The specific conductance of the solution is 1.4 Simon per meter. So resistance of the solution is given, say let it be R1, it is what? 50 ohms. So resistance is 50 ohms and specific conductance, that is kappa, is 1.4 Simon per meter. The resistance of 0.5 molar solution. So we have another solution in same conductivity cell, लेकिन उसका जो concentration है 0.5 molar है and resistance is 280 ohms. See this. Resistance of 0.5 molar solution of same electrolyte is 280 ohms. The molar conductivity lambda we have to calculate of 0.5 molar solution of the electrolyte in Simon meter square per mole is. So students, ये वैसा ही क्वेश्चन है जैसा आपके NCERT में भी है. So पहले हमें पता है that दो सॉल्यूशंस हैं, एक सॉल्यूशन है 0.2 मोलर, ठीक है, एंड दूसरा है 0.5 मोलर, बट दे बोथ हैव बीन प्लेस्ड इन सेम कंडक्टिविटी सेल. सो स्टूडेंट्स, सेम कंडक्टिविटी सेल में होने का मतलब है सेल कांस्टेंट तो दोनों का ही सेम होगा. सो सेल कांस्टेंट G स्टार 1 would be what equal to G star 2 इन सेकेंड सॉल्यूशन के लिए. सो ये दोनों इक्वल ही होंगे, इतना हमें पता है. सो अप्लाइंग द फंडामेंटल G1 स्टार इज इक्वल टू G2 star, or we can write what kappa 1 upon G, but reciprocal of G is R. R1 is equal to kappa 2 into R2. Now kappa 1 is given, it is 1.4 Simon per meter. Resistance is given 50 ohms. So kappa 2 can be calculated. Resistance 2 is 280. So students, from this we can find out what conductivity of this solution, 0.5 molar solution. और ये कितना होगा 1.4 into 50 divided by 280. So students, this will be, अगर मैं ये हटाता हूँ ये zeros cancel, so we have 14 into 5 70 280. So this will be students what 1 by what 4 Simon per meter, or you may write 0.25 Simon per meter. So students, this is your what kappa of the second solution. Now we need to calculate what lambda. So अभी lambda कैसे निकलता है students, that we know. Lambda means molar conductance, so it is kappa into, now since आपको आंसर मीटर स्क्वायर पर मोल में निकालना है, तो it is 10 raised to power -3 upon molarity. Now kappa we know it is what 0.25 Simon per meter. Okay, so 10 raised to power 3 upon molarity. Now students, इस solution का molarity है it is what 0.5. So students, ultimately आपका जो यूनिट आ जाएगा वो साइमन मीटर स्क्वायर पर मोल होगा. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, इसको सॉल्व करके आपका आ जाएगा 5 into 10 raised to power -4 Simon meter square per mole. So that means out of these 4 options we have 5 into 10 raised to power -4 as the correct answer. Now students, let's move to the question number 2. At a particular temperature, the ratio of equivalent conductance to specific conductance of 0.01 normal sodium chloride solution is, and we have 4 options: 10 raised to power 5 centimeter cube, 10 raised to power 3 centimeter cube, 10 centimeter cube, and 10 raised to power 5 centimeter cube. Now we need to calculate what ratio of equivalent conductance to specific conductance. So students, we know that equivalent conductance is conductivity, or we call it specific conductance, into what 1000 upon normality. अगर मैं यूनिट्स रखता हूं साइमन सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर मोल में, रखना भी पड़ेगा बिकॉज आपके जो आंसर है वो सेंटीमीटर नहीं है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आपको निकालना है रेशियो बिटवीन इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस टू स्पेसिफिक कंडक्टेंस, दैट इज kappa, and it is what 1000 upon normality. And what is normality, students? It is given 0.01, so it is 1000 upon what 0.01 is 10 raised to power -2, so ये 10 raised to power ऊपर जाके students 5 हो जाएगा. And students, ये याद रखना, ये जो है this is what वॉल्यूम, और वॉल्यूम तो सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में ही होगा. सो आपका ये आंसर तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं हो सकता. सो आपके पास यही एक चॉइस बचा सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में, 10 raised to power 5 centimeter cube. Now students, let's move to the next question, question number 3. Now the resistance of 0.01 normal solution at 25 degrees Celsius is given. So resistance is given, students, 200 ohms. Cell constant of the conductivity cell, so G star is given, it is 1 centimeter inverse. Equivalent conductance we have to calculate. Now students, in order to find equivalent conductance we need kappa first, into 1000 upon normality. आपका आंसर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर में ही है, सो इट इज व्हाट Simon centimeter square per gram equivalent. Now kappa is G into G star into 1000 upon normality. Now G is reciprocal of what? R. So R आपका 200 ohm है, so it is 1 upon 200. Cell constant is 1 centimeter inverse into what 1000 upon normality, and normality of solution is 0.01. So ये हो गया आपका 10 raised to power minus 2. So students, solving this we get 5 into 10 raised to power, ये ऊपर गया तो 2. So we have 5 into 10 raised to power 2 Simon centimeter square per gram equivalent. That means option A is correct. Now students, last question. This is a very important but conceptual question, numerical नहीं है. The order of equivalent conductance at infinite dilution of lithium chloride, sodium chloride and potassium chloride. Students, at infinite dilutions ions का जो contribution होगा towards conductance वो independent होगा, means वो nature of electrolyte पे depend नहीं करता है. But see students, lithium chloride, sodium chloride and potassium chloride, इनका आपका anion तो same है लेकिन कैटायन अलग है. सो दैट मीन्स इनके जो इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस में डिफरेंस है तो वो कैटायन की वजह से है. नाउ वी नो दैट लिथियम आयन सबसे छोटा है, तो स्टूडेंट इसका सॉल्वेशन सबसे ज्यादा होगा, उसके बाद होगा आपका सोडियम आयन का एंड देन आपका पोटाशियम आयन का. लेकिन सॉल्वेशन जिसका ज्यादा होता है कंडक्टेंस उसकी सबसे कम होगी. सो कंडक्टेंस इसीलिए स्टूडेंट्स लिथियम आयन का सबसे कम, सोडियम आयन का ज्यादा और सबसे ज्यादा के पॉजिटिव, यानी उस इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का सबसे ज्यादा होगा कंडक्टेंस जिसमें के पॉजिटिव है. सो वी हैव KCl एंड देन वी हैव NaCl एंड देन लिथियम क्लोराइड. सो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. So students, that is all for today. Thank you.